You know, this is all your fault. Hey, I needed that nap. You could have just slept on the ship. No, I couldn't. Well, it doesn't matter. We missed the departure, and now we're all gonna die. Hey guys, I think I got something. Hello? We're three Republic clones and need evac. Do you read me? Repeat. Three Republic clones in need of evac. Over.
Roger, Roger.
Whoops. What? What happened? I think we'd better get out of here now. But I just set up my folding chair. The what? What? Just come on, let's go. Eh. Hurry up. Three speeders. Do you think we can take him? Oh yeah. Alright, let's take him out.
Uh-oh.
Alright, let's go. Yeah! We got company. You'll never catch us. Ah! Let's go. You jinxed yourself, man. Hey, bro. Did he die? Look out! Hey, look, he didn't die. Well, of course he didn't die. It'd take a lot more than that to kill me. Huh. So now what? Well, we stopped some of the droids, but they still know we're here. Oh, I know. I'll just radio in for help again. No, no, you don't. Give me that. I'll do it this time.